Why is data governance in cloud environments a topic of such crucial importance? Well, in our rapidly evolving digital age where data is the new gold, effective management of this precious resource can make or break an organization. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of data governance in cloud environments. Picture a bustling city. The traffic system of this city is akin to data governance. It ensures smooth, efficient, and safe movement of vehicles, or in our case, data. Without it, chaos ensues. Now, imagine this city growing exponentially every day, with new roads, vehicles, and rules. This is the dynamic world of cloud environments. So, how do we navigate this bustling cityscape and ensure our data travels safely and efficiently? Let's break this down into 5 digestible steps. Step 1. Establish clear data governance policies. Think of these as the traffic rules. They define who can access what data, when and how. They also stipulate how data is classified, stored, and protected. Step 2. Implement a robust data architecture. This is the city's infrastructure, the roads, bridges, and traffic lights. In data governance terms, it's the software and systems used to store, process, and transmit data. Step 3. Regularly audit your data governance. Just as city officials inspect traffic systems, regular audits ensure your data governance policies and architecture are doing their job effectively. Step 4. Foster a culture of data governance. This is about educating everyone in the organization about the importance of data governance, just like teaching citizens to follow traffic rules. And finally, Step 5. Continually adapt and evolve. As the city grows and changes, so must its traffic system. Similarly, data governance policies and systems must be regularly reviewed and updated to keep pace with the ever-evolving cloud environment. In summary, managing data governance in cloud environments is a dynamic, ongoing process. It starts with establishing clear data governance policies, implementing a robust data architecture, regularly auditing your data governance, fostering a culture of data governance, and continually adapting and evolving. Remember, in this bustling city of cloud environments, data governance is the traffic system that keeps everything running smoothly. Without it, we'd be lost in a sea of data chaos. So, take the wheel, set your course, and drive your organization towards a future of efficient, secure, and effective data management. And, as always, thanks for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of data governance in cloud environments. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe in the cloud.